Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video I will show you how to make delicious buffalo chicken wing dip. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 1/2 cup of your favorite buffalo wing sauce. Also, grab 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing, and about 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese for that perfect topping. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the chicken. You can boil, bake, or even use a rotisserie chicken for this recipe. Once cooked, shred the chicken into small, manageable pieces. A great tip is to use a stand mixer with a paddle attachment. It shreds chicken in seconds. Make sure your chicken is cooled slightly before mixing to prevent the cream cheese from melting too quickly. With your chicken ready, it's time to combine everything. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, combine the softened 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of buffalo wing sauce, and 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing. Mix these until smooth, then fold in your 2 cups of shredded chicken. Stir everything together thoroughly until it's evenly coated and well combined. Finally, let's get this delicious dip into the oven. Spread your combined mixture evenly into a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Sprinkle the remaining 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese generously over the top. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the dip is hot, bubbly, and the cheese is melted and slightly golden. Serve immediately with tortilla chips, celery sticks, or your favorite dippers. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.